Man, we had an awesome session on Tuesday. I already got 3 direct messages from people that were on the session on Tuesday that this is already changing their life. This is already helping them make more money. What is this that we're talking about really quick? It is the ladder of your sales success. The ladder. These steps in the ladder are your skills, okay? One side of the ladder is your beliefs. The other side of the ladder is your activities, okay? And although I got 3 individual messages from members, let me tell you about how one of our salespeople just now, this morning, closed a $5,000 per month membership based on them adjusting their ladder. Let's talk about it. Their belief was this. Sure, somebody signing up for $500 a month for an individual membership, absolutely, I'll ask them if it makes sense to activate the membership. But if it's a large group, that's $5,000 a month. Of course, they would want to review that. Of course, they're going to want to talk about it. They're going to want to think about it. And I calmly, as I talked to Chris, I said, Chris, is that how it is with everybody? Well, pretty much everybody, Matt. But is it everybody? Well, no. You have a belief that you can't sell a $5,000 deal without them reviewing everything. That's your belief. Let's change that belief. Okay? And now the skill that we're going to use is we're going to go back to our close. Hey, does it make sense to bring your group on board? And if they say no, Chris, just say, what's a good next step? Well, we need to review it. Send me the documents. You're right where you were anyways. No harm done. And now here's the activity, Chris. The next lead that you take that's a group, I want you to write it down that you're going to ask. Ask. And guess what Chris did? First one. I don't know if this is luck. I don't know if it's the force, if it's the secret, if it's Allah, if it's God, whatever you want to call it. But the first dang call that Chris took, he went through everything. Man, sounds like you're a perfect fit. Does it make sense to bring your team on board? Guess what the person said? Yes. Cool. I'll send you a link. Hey, hold on. Stay on the phone with me, Chris. Let me click on it. Boom. There it is. 5. I know that's small. We're small time compared to some of your deals, but this was $60,000, $5,000 a month. And all Chris did was ask. He had the skills to back him up. He changed his belief system, and then he did the activity. He asked, okay? So I want to give you guys a homework assignment. I know, you're like, I'm over the homework. I'm over it. But if you want to make more money, if you want to have your life be easier, if you want to feel the way that Chris is feeling right now, yo, Chris! Chris is on top. Where's Chris? Go find Chris. Hopefully he's not stopping to take pictures because he closed a big deal. If you want to feel on top of the world the way that Chris is, I want to give you a homework assignment. Okay? Think about your ladder. What is a belief that you need to change? What's the skill set that correspond with that belief? And what's an activity that you're going to do? Maybe it's follow-up. And maybe the belief is, if I've left 5 follow-up voicemails for somebody, they're totally not interested. Let's change that belief. Not everybody. So we're going to wipe the dry erase board. Okay? The skill set is, I'm just going to call and ask if it makes sense. Hey, Brian, Matt Easton, founder of Easton University, calling to see if it makes sense to activate your membership. Calling to see if it makes sense to get you access to the sales coaching. Calling to see if it makes sense for you to buy the steel building we quoted. Calling to see if it makes sense for us to do the app. Right? And now I'm going to actually do the activities. Remember, I can't have a ladder without the 2 supports and the rungs in the middle. And that's where we screw it up. Some of us will do the activity and we'll have the rungs in the ladder, but our belief will stop us from doing the activity. Or if we do the activity, it sounds like this, right? Here's doing the activity in the right skill set, but you don't believe. Hey, so perhaps, does it make sense for you to sign up? Right? I did the activity I asked. I kind of said the right words, but I didn't believe. Hey, does it make sense to get your team on board? Yes. Congratulations, you made a great decision. I'm going to send you the link. Let me stay on with you right now, make sure everything goes through. Fair enough? Boom. Guys, that's all I wanted to preach on yet. What questions can I answer for you? If you work in sales and you need to make twice as much money as you do right now to really enjoy your life, you've really only got 3 options. Option number 1, you can continue to work your butt off in the job you have right now, hoping for some sort of miracle to happen, where you start taking home double the money while doing things the exact same way you do them right now. That's pretty unlikely. Or option number 2, you could look for another job at a totally different company, hoping you're gonna catch some sort of once-in-a-lifetime wave where sales just seem to flow your way. All right, again, highly unlikely, and we both know waves in sales, well, they don't last very long. Or option number 3, you can click the button here and get instant access to a simple, straightforward sales process that will help you take home twice as much money as you do right now while putting in far less effort than you do today. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University, the most effective sales coaching system in the world. If you click the button, you're gonna see how our interactive sales coaching portal and weekly live coaching sessions with me will help you double your income within 60 days. Easton University is more than an interactive sales coaching portal. It's more than being able to ask me questions in a live setting every single week. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the button. I will see you on the other side. Your life is about to get a lot better. Click through now.